So today was a very exciting day. Jon Kragenstein, our very first Faroese Masters in West Nordic Studies, Governance and Sustainable Management, just graduated. This has been an exciting 3 years. The first year we spent building up the program, and the next 2 years we've been doing lots of new courses, experiments, in learning about the geopolitics of the West Nordic region, also going more into detail with sustainable management in the Faroe Islands. And Jon has done a fantastic job in trying to understand what food security means in the Faroe Islands. And this is a topic that no one is really talking about, and I really think that Jon, with his master's program and his Finnish master's and experience, can make a big difference in the future of the Faroe Islands and the West Nordic region.